Hope Uzodinma have finally set Imo State on fire. As we dey talk right now, no be small thing o. Biafra Liberation Army never even go to stop election. Hope Uzodinma don use himself with him police, with him thugs. Come dey use them. They attack other governor candidate wey dey follow am. Dey drag the okwo chichi. No be small thing o, my people. We'll go find out how this thing take happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Ukweziokwu. No be small thing o. The information wey we dey get right now is that Imo State is on fire. They say that the governor, the current sitting governor wey be Hope Uzodinma, don finally set Imo State on fire. As in dey attack other president candidates wey dey follow am, dey drag the position as we dey talk now. If una know this man wey get this white beard for this picture, him name na Ago to Aka. The man don give Hope Uzodinma tough time. Now Hope Uzodinma dey try to stop am, make e no go some places wey e suppose go. E dey use police, dey mark am everywhere. This is happening in Imo State. We won't tell you people that is those politicians are the ones putting fire in Imo State. People like Hope Uzodinma, people will not believe. You see what is going on now? Unknown government never stopped this man from going anywhere, but rather police are the one who are stopping this man from going to church. We are going to play the video for you to watch, but we just want to let you know what is going on in Imo State as we dey talk right now. Imo State don finally cast. Let's play the video for you to watch. Share this video. This video need to go over. People need to see what is going on in Imo State. It's no longer Biafra Liberation Army stopping the election, but hear what this man have to say in this particular video.
Fellow Nigerians, Imolites, today, the 5th of November, 2023, 6 days to the Imo governorship elections. Around between 12 and 1 o'clock this afternoon, I was on my way to honor an invitation by the Anglican Church, the Synod, at Obibie in Owerri North. We were approaching, we saw, armed police stationed, strategically in their cars. So we wondered, what's going on? So as soon as we got there, we saw an APC blocking the entrance to the venue, and harsh-looking armed men, most of them wearing black, some carrying pump action, some carrying AK-47s. So, and they stopped us, they blocked, they didn't allow us to go. They started shooting in the air sporadically, scaring the bikers who were leading the convoys. All of them scampered for safety. I came down, I said, well, they can take me, because I can't understand why I can't be allowed to go and worship God in Imo State. First of all, they claimed that the governor was there. I said that somebody tore APC posters on the wall. So, but the person did not probably them. Is Senator Tara the person who tore it? They said no. So why are you preventing him from getting into the church premises? So, and I had to come down. I accosted one Ola, the notorious Ola of Tiger Base Fair. So many lives have been lost in Imo State. And look at what they did to the NLC president. This governor is going mad. Security officer called the DSS director, who said he was there with the commissioner of police. I now asked to speak with him. He called me and said he wants to talk to the officer. Commissioner of police Imo State spoke to this Ola. Ola disobeyed him and blocked us from entering. As the shooting continued, I didn't want any life to be lost. I came out and accosted him. I was pointing at him. I told him that I was going to expose him to Nigerians today. And if he doesn't leave this state today, or let us this by Monday, I'll know that this government wants to annihilate us. So I'm putting my president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, on notice to know what is going on here. This man wants to annihilate the entire state. So he should quickly remove all the security agencies who from here. They are not obeying orders. There's a killer squad in Ohadi-Egbema as well. They have been crying, and they call him kill and bury. They've been crying everywhere. It's like we're in a war zone. What's going on here, for God's sake? Is this how we're going to have this election on November 11th? And I hear that the INEC officers even lied to the INEC chairman, EOs, that all the political parties agreed to move all the coalition from ward to local government. We didn't even have a meeting to discuss that. So you see what's going on. There is a trouble here. If you want to declare war on Imolites, tell us. The Imolites are ready to defend themselves. Tell us, please, what's going on here? Enough is enough. Are we now in a banana republic that even officers don't obey police commissioners? They don't listen to do anything. No rule of law in Imo State any longer. So for the next 4 years, this place will be a wasteland. Already, places are mortuaries are filled with corpses. Tiger Bay, people drop like flies. And that's where this Ola is. He must leave this state to the commissioner immediately. And the INEC chairman should put on notice. No collation should be done outside the World Collation Center. The door of my late sister mother is shattered. A bullet hit it. Stray bullet hit it. We are lucky it was an armored vehicle. One of my escort vehicles. Stray bullet hit it. It's here for you to go and see it after here. This is what we are going through in Imo State. People don't go home any longer. We have military, we have DSS, we have civil defense. So if we cannot be protected by all these men, let us protect ourselves for God's sake. We have our fundamental human right to life. We have that human right to life. It's our right. And to protect ourselves. We demand, if we don't get protection from the government, we must be forced to defend ourselves.
Will it be right to say that it was a deliberate act to harm you?
Deliberate? The governor was not even there. So you see, it was a setup. Only to find out the governor he even never attended the ceremony. So they came after me.
Your Excellency, in the light of this, does it in any way discourage you?
No, never. He has emboldened me. I'm telling our own Imolites, we must defend our state. Who is he? Who is that man? Doesn't belong to him? Did he do a coup d'etat? He claimed that we voted him in. Now, we must be allowed to vote him out. There is nothing he can do to stay in Douglas House one day further.
Your Excellency, something that happened this morning has gone viral. What message do you have for your voters and your followers?
Voters should be encouraged. As a matter of fact, this should embolden you people to know what is coming. It's because they're scared now that you people have rejected them. So, and I'm the one leading the confrontation. So that's why they think they can scare me. They are small rats. They can't do anything. People should be emboldened.
Your Excellency, please, you raised about an APC. Was it an armored personnel?
Armored personnel carrier. And can you imagine, this armored personnel carrier could be one of those that I fixed. I use my money to fix armored personnel carriers. And then I used it to block my entrance into a church. Inspector General of Police, you must release those armored personnel carriers to protect the agreement I had with Nigeria Police that I'll fix them. 5 should be given to protect Okiwos on my zone. And policemen should stay there so that I can fix the police stations. I fixed the police station, it was bombed. I now acquired land to repair the other ones. Up till now, nobody has given me any support. What's going on here? Have we been abandoned? Have we abandoned? Let us know.
That event, we saw some people in the market, running away. Would you think that this kind of thing is to scare them?
That's what is intended to achieve. Is to, they will say, if I go to Aka cannot enter a church, how can he now protect the votes in the collation center? That's just the message Uzodinma wanted to send. Because they claimed that he was there, and then he wasn't there. He never came. So it was a scare tactics. No people should forget about that. Nigerian police, they are capable of protecting the process. Nigerian army, they are coming in droves to protect. No, today is not the election day. I go to Aka is your next governor. Yes, nobody can stop me. Hope Uzodinma doesn't have the capacity to do that.
Sir, did he eventually attend that church service?
He never came.
No, I mean yourself, did he eventually attend?
Oh, look at all the women with me. They were screaming in the bus. My wife was talking at me that we should please go back because of the people with us. Women, I had to listen to her. So I now had to turn. I wanted to enter the car to drive it myself. Because, my own is like a tank that they have, same thing. I wanted to drive through that place because I have the right to go there. But my wife wouldn't let me. So anyway, on election day, she'll be at home. And then the warriors will be outside.
Excellency, one more clarification.
Yes.
We understand that the police provided backup for talks. And we overheard that one of the talks is called Tape. How can we avert this where there's so much...
They have talks. He is using talks. They have talks in police uniform. They have talks in police uniform. The security agencies know them. So we have to bring this to the notice of the whole world that there are arming talks in police uniforms to attack us. That's what they are doing. So we need the army and DSS to come to our aid to support us, protect the process. They are planning to arrest some of the key members of the Labour Party from Thursday before the election. That's what they are planning, to disable us. They can't disable us. Everybody here is Labour. Everybody in Imo State is Labour. Even the people working for them. And I want to tell them, look, nobody's coming after you. We know why you're there. You are there in fear. You are living in fear. All those his SAs, even the House of Assembly members. I know you don't like what is going on. So on that day, after that day, he's disabled. He can't even command the Commissioner of Police on the next day to do his bidding. So everybody that day, let's take back our state. All Imo lives.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, you don't see him say no be IPOB or no be Biafra Liberation Army or no be ESN or no be Nnamdi Kanu or neither Simon Ekpa is stopping this election now or is bringing us in Imo State now, but rather this is Hope Uzodinma himself. You said in one video that a clear conscience fears no accusation. Then why are you marking other people and trying to remove their posters, trying to make sure that their posters never show in anywhere in Imo State? Hope Uzodinma. You see what is going on in Imo State as we are talking now. Guys, please share this video. People need to see what is going on. This one now, no be Biafra Liberation Army, they do amo. This one now, Hope Uzodinma are in touch, try fighting other people where they still do the same thing with them. Okay, share the video, I beg, and make sure say you follow our page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel anywhere you find our video. Turn your notification bell for both sides. We dey here they bring up the updates back to back as it dey hot. We'll see you for the next update.